Hello, today I will make a video about all those local succulent that we have out here. These I leave them pretty much full sun, full rain. So they would take all the rain that they had, they take, and the sun, no coverage. And that's how they look right here. So they out here waiting for the greenhouse to be done, to be finished. And I know it's take a long time for it to be built. And in the meantime, they but the weather really good. They enjoy the weather. The weather really helped with their growing process. They're doing very well. These are Lolas. I don't know much name about it. Not that many names, but and these are my cuttings. I believe these called peacock, and these are allium cuttings. Okay, I took out some of them because they couldn't make it. And here's my bunny cactus. These are my sedum clavatum, but just the local, no variegation, anything like that. I propagate them using for arrangement later on. And I just want to give you the overall look of how they do. I am in Manville, Texas. So Texas, we blessed that this time of the year, the weather pretty good for our succulent. They're doing pretty well. There was a freeze last few weeks, and I have to move everything inside. My Haworthia, part like rock. I have something in this pot, and I guess it could make it. So the my propagation from leaves. Look how well they grow. They grow pretty good. So this one more. I need to take out the mother on this one. Okay, so these are from leaves, and I'm very excited. It looks like I have a crest. Look that little baby. It looks like a crest. I hope it is a crest. These are my I would say like mini collection, the little one. And oh no, oh. We moved them out here for like a week. It used to be on the other side, but we have some construction on the land, so we have to move them out here. So these pretty much cuttings. These are cuttings from my big part of the local land. So I mean local plants. So I cut these out. I propagate them. So now they're strong, healthy. These Calancho, mother of millions. This guy almost died during summer, but I will be able to rescue it. Okay. This one is one source of sedum, I believe. It's very fragrant. It has that very sweet smell like candy. So, and these are my favorite one. And look, I found the leaves. Look. Okay, I will leave it there. It's happy there, so I would leave it there. Not touching it. I mean, not move it. And here's another one that making its her way. Look at all these little ones. Look how cute they are. Oh, I love them. I love looking at these. They give me so much joy and relax. Another one of aeonium cuttings. And these, I grew them from babies. Tiny baby, like my thumb size. I just stuffed them all in there and they grow. They hardies. And look at this little one. I have no idea what it is, but isn't the color amazing? So pretty, so pretty. I think this kiwi, purple ghost. I have a yellow ghost. And these actually are my propagation too. I cut them out and I stick them in there, and look how well they're doing over here too. So okay, that's my coral right there. Okay. She has some burn. Okay. And this one as well. So, oh, look at this. Where it come from? I don't know. I can't really tell the main plant. So it's just flower, and I can't tell the main plants where it flower from. So amazing. This is one of my favorite collection as well. Not collection, but my favorite type of cactus, cubic frost. It looks so unique, and they enjoy being in the under the sun too. Right now it's about 5:30 in the afternoon, so my whole area is shaded. But in the morning it will be the sun will come out all the way out here, So I hope one day I can build some big greenhouse out here and have more and grow more succulent. These are my cuttings, aeonium cuttings. I propagate them by cuttings, and I sell them too. I sell them online. So with the previous video, I told that I sell them at a certain price, and I would do like trays. I will put them all together, and I will post it on different group. And if you would like to support my business, please watch out for my post, and you can go to my Facebook page. Is called Star Succulent Garden, and I will post some for sale on that too. Okay. Oh, look, babies. Look at the babies. Aww. This one, it has that velvet touch. If you touch it, it has that velvet feeling, and being out in the sun, it gave me very nice coloration. I have another pot, big pot. I put them together, and they didn't have enough sun, so they kind of a little bit too greeny. So these are for sale also. Look how pinky. Look at the pink edge and the pointed. You can see, if you look at the petal, you can tell how hard it is. It's very hard. Okay. This one look a bit sad. I will have to clean it. I love cleaning the dead leaves and all like that. It gives me I feel very soothing, very relaxing. Yeah. These my Haworthia collection. Not really a big collection, but I just love them. They're not too expensive, but they grow like crazy. Look at this. It's hard like rock. If I can touch it, you can really see They hard like rock. This one give me variation. I'm so excited. These another type of Haworthia. Look at them. They really enjoy the weather. These are Lola's too, and I grew these when they about half size of these. So it took about 3 months for them to grow like this. This one give me babies. I don't really know much about the names. At some point I don't really care much about the name. They just pretty in my own way. The way I look at them differently. Well, I know these called turtle eggs. And the way they stack on each other is very funny. And babies, there's more babies. Look at this. Look at the way she curved. So these I propagate them and nurture them from like small babies. So this I cut out from their mother plant. I try to see how they turn out to be. So these, I would say the percentage that you will be successful propagating jade is not easy. It's hard. I would say I have like 40% luck. Oh, I have some small crusted. Look, velour crusted. I need to put that in the different pot. It's very cute. Let me move it out so you can see it clearly. Look, look how happy she is. Amazing. Succulent just give me that amazing feeling when I see them grow every day. This one we have a little bit of this color. Oh, I guess too much sun. Yeah, too much sun. So this tray didn't take it well, pretty much. Yeah. I might move these tray in so they don't have to deal with the sun much. And look at these, Chanel. There you go. And same things. I use these a lot for my my arrangement. I use them a lot for my arrangement because they really add very nice feature and colors to the whole part of the arrangement. The color really pop. And these, oh, these grow so well. When I put them in, they so tiny. They very tiny. They pretty much like my thumb size. And look how well they are. Look. They fully grow. Sometimes with succulent, at some point, when you too care for them, when you nurture them too much, they weak. So because we don't have just a nice ideal weather here in Texas, so I have to train them. I have to train them to get used to this weather so they can become strong and healthy. Well, some of them couldn't make it, but I try to find a way to make Texas also an ideal place for succulent. Most of my friends, when they heard, they collect succulent and enjoy succulent in California, in a very nice state with the nice weather. The condition of the weather is very good for succulent. So when they knew I'm from Texas, they thought I'm crazy because we have very severe weather, either pretty hot or pretty cold. And look at them. The conus brought out their pinky tip. Look. See that? So awesome. Look at her. She turned purple. She turned purple. Yeah. Like I say, I will do a video and cleaning up these this weekend. Look at the lipstick. Oh, look how strong it is. So pretty. And then we can do that. These are growing well too. Look how tiny it is. Look at, yeah. Oh, I thought they couldn't make it. I have only a few pieces left. The majority is too cold for them. So I hope they will make it. So pretty. I have no idea about the name, but yeah. Okay, let's move on to the side. Sun in the afternoon is very nice. The weather is absolutely perfect. It's not too cold, not too cold. It's about the 60s. It just, and people asking me why I put gravel on top of the pot. I do to some of them because when the water coming down, it's not gonna splash. You know, when it splashes, the soil can get on the soil, the dirtiness can get on the trunk of the tree, and sometimes it leaves it there for a while and then it creates some sickness for the tree. So the gravel will help not eliminate 100%, but will have to decrease the chance that it will get sick. And look at my Haworthia. I bought it green and I just couldn't believe that how come it turned pink like that. It kind of like orange pink. Look how plum is so fatty. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm learning too. I'm learning to know certain kind of succulent like a certain way of being treated. So, and these, don't you love the color? Look at her. She turns so purple and pink. So these, oh, she got sunburn. So these are babies. These are babies that I pluck out from the mother, and I propagate them in a different pot. Look how nice they are. She's so lovely. They love being outdoor. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to leave them outdoor, especially for winter, for fall, for spring. I don't take them in unless the weather is under 32 degrees. If it's more than 32 degrees, I leave them out. Because like I say, I want to train them. I want them to be strong. I know I will lose some of them, but the majority of them, they will learn how to survive. They will strengthen themselves. They know how to protect themselves. Look at this. It looks like a lotus. Look at that. And the petal is very thick. Yep. And need to clean all these dead leaves. Oh, look, she hiding. She hiding. Oh, look at her color. So beautiful. You know. And these doesn't cost much. I don't want to spend like $100 for something like that with variegation. To me, this has variegation. It has that edge, the pinky edges. Like look. If you look at it in their own beautiful way, they always beautiful. They are beautiful. They will surprise you. They really surprise you. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that. Love her. I have a small coral. Oh, look at her. Look at how wavy the leaves. And if I touch the leaves, you can see how hard it is. That means it's very healthy. It's growing. Yep. Look at her. And more Lolas. I have a thing about Lolas, so I collect and I buy a lot of them. I grow them. These, when I bought them, they very tiny. They half the size. So, and because when I could find a good deal, I snatch out the deal, and I grow them from there. So this one give me a good amount of baby. Oh, look at them. And look. She has more babies on the side. Look at that. More babies. She happy. Yeah. Oh, this one couldn't make it. I have to remove it. Okay, I believe these are aeonium cuttings. And look how beautiful the flowers. But I have to cut off the flowers to keep them healthy and to keep the main plant to grow better, because the flower will attract the bugs, attract mealybugs, attract all kind of bugs, and ant will carry sickness to the plant. Second, in order for the flower to stay nice, it suck out the nutrition from the main plant, so you can enjoy the flower for a few days and you should have cut it off. These are more cuttings, and my worth here. These are more cuttings that I propagate. I love cuttings and propagate aeonium. My sister thought that I'm crazy, that I destroyed the look of the main plants, but I say I want to experience. I want to really see how they will turn out to be, and I will make a picture. I will make a video and show you guys after I cut it off, and after a while the new babies coming off from the branches that I cut off. Really nice. It's so much fun that you can see that it pop out like that, and that in a way that you can learn about the tree itself, you know. This one I thought I lost it too, and look, the baby's coming out. Yeah. When I depress, I just sit there and pluck out all the dead leaves. I love. It's very relaxing. And these are sunburst crest. When I bought them, they so little. I thought I lost them for the summer. But somehow, look, they survived. And look at how well the color came out. Some yellow, some with the pinky edge. And then you can tell they kind of has hair on the edge. These are my babies too. I grow them when they super tiny, small. Yeah. My lovely rose. I think I have a crest on this plant right here. I'm very excited. Right there, you see a crest body. Yep. Let me take it down. I would like to take a look at that too. Oh, look at my sunburst. Ooh, coloration. Awesome. Here, he's the, yeah, that's the crescent body that it, yeah. I'm so excited to see something like this. It just gives you joy, you know, it gives you joy. Yeah. These couldn't make it. So sad. Okay, that's my I'm not sure it's sunburst or starburst. Okay, these my super bang cuttings. See, it's very sturdy. It's very hard. Oh, I got another crest. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the body. So pretty. And my lovely rose. Yeah, they grow very, very slow, super slow. So I think we did that. Let me go to the other side. Oh no, these are more the Haworthia that these are grow pretty good too. They are fast grower right here. And I just love the way they look, the way they bring out the colors. All different color in one. Look at that. So pretty. So I will post some for sale later on the group. I got a cubic frost crest right here. She's so cute. And look how well she grows. I'm not sure. I might have to do another video because this one a little bit long. Okay, let's me say goodbye right here, and I will do a part 2. Okay, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it for me, and turn on the bell so when I have new video, I will try to make more video since things getting slower now and I have everything pretty much in places. Okay, good night everyone. I will see you for the next video.